and welcome to our channel, and thank you so much for wanting to see what we got going on here. We post a lot on Instagram. We have tons of reels on there for you guys and lots of fun tutorials, but we thought we'd bring it to YouTube. So anytime we do a reel on Instagram, we're gonna also do one in a slowed down version so you guys can follow along and we can kind of explain what's going on in each of our tutorials. So the first one we're going to start with is our fun nylon stretch head wraps. These were so quick and easy to make. We used our nylon strips. I believe they are a 48 inch by 3 inch, and it's a little cute little ruffle on the top, and they were just so simple to make. So I'm going to walk you guys through the steps and let you know what you need to make this, and then also I'll be sure to just link everything in the descriptions below. All right, to start, you're gonna take a nylon stretch fabric. So this one comes in like a tube. So it kind of comes with the raw edges like that. Kind of see that? Both ends are open. So it's super easy. You can cut it down to the size you need. So today we're gonna make a newborn size. So I'm gonna cut it down to 14.5 inch. Typically, nylon or any type of headband for a newborn would be about 13.5, so I'm adding an inch to give us a little bit of ruffle on the top. So you're gonna need your strip, you're gonna need thread and a needle, and let me see, where did my needle go? Hang on one second. All right, so I got my thread, my needle. When I hand sew, I like to double my thread so you guys can kind of see how I like pull it through and then I pull both ends so that they match. And then at the end, I just tie a few knots. I tie it a few times so that I get like a double knot. And then you can just trim off that excess. And you got your little knot right there. Okay, so you're gonna take your strip, you're gonna fold it in half. And you just wanna make sure it's nice and even. And you're just gonna go about an inch down from the end. So about an inch. And you are gonna start sewing. So you're gonna stitch in and out. And if you've never hand sewn, like, it's super simple. And if you have a machine, you can also do this with a machine. So this was just easier for me to do it this way. Just because of the next step you'll see in a second. I'm gonna pull the thread and kind of like bunch it all together. And then I'll also, in the description, I'll be sure to put measurements for different sizes. So if you didn't want to just do a newborn, if you had some other sizes in mind, I'll put those in there as well. All right, so when you get to the end, you're not going to close up your end yet. You're going to, well, I guess before we do this, let's go ahead and stretch out the edges so they kind of get curled. This fabric likes to curl at the edges, especially when it's like pulled. If you guys have seen like the thin nylon headbands that people tie bows to and stuff like that, it's made out of the same type of material. So that's why it like kind of rolls like that. Okay, so kind of get it stretched so you get like a nice curly ends. And then you're gonna kind of just wanna bunch it up. Get it nice and tight, and then you're gonna grab your thread and you are just gonna wrap it around. And wrap it around a few times, get it nice and secure in there. Make sure it's not like bunched up on your actual fabric. And then once it's in there, you just want to close up your stitching so nothing comes undone. So I just like to knot it through a few times. If you hear my kids in the background, they are in the break room right now, so that's what you're hearing. Okay, so once it's knotted and it's good to go, you're just going to cut off your extra thread. And then look how nice and clean this looks. So this is the inside. See how nice that looks? And this is your top, okay? But all you gotta do is kind of just adjust it and stretch it out. And it looks like this cute little flower. And I have a doll, like we made a really tiny one, and I have a doll that I put it on, and it just turned out so cute. But look how cute that is. And you just kind of adjust it to how you want it. And if I had Allie's my little girl, if I had her here right now, I would definitely try this on her and you guys could see it on. But this would be so cute for a newborn. It's just so soft and so dainty and looks like a little flower on top. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Like I said, we're gonna try and get on here at least once or twice a week and just bring a new tutorial or fun video for you guys and kind of give you some fun products to work with and give you some fun ideas. And we will always try to link everything that we use. These new nylon, tie-dye nylon stretch head wrap material will be available at prettyandpinksupply.com starting this Wednesday at 10 a.m. We will also have a bunch of new fruit style like themed release, so we have a ton of stuff going up on the site, so be sure to check us out. And then if you have not subscribed to our channel, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos that we post. All right, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.